welcome. You're watching Good Times with me, our two debutantes who are all set to write a new chapter in the notebook of their lives. So, what are you feeling? Are you anxious? Are you nervous? Or are you so excited?
We are very grateful to be here and to get the kind of love and adoration that we're getting. Very excited, obviously, because our film's coming out in like 2-3 days. And slightly nervous, obviously.
What about you?
Very, very excited. There's a feeling of gratitude, and also, if I may, it's a little fearless now, because you've done your bit, and I can't wait for the world to see it now. I want it to happen.
So, both of you always wanted to be actors, or when was the day that you both realized that acting is what we want to do? Because your co-star here is armed with a degree in law.
Yeah, I always wanted to be an actor. I was very, very certain of that. I knew that this is something I'd be doing ever since I was 5-6 years old.
So, was it at home like your parents first said, no, get your degree first and then we'll think about it?
Not at all. In fact, in my life, my parents have never told me that study, your exams are coming, or 90% and all. They were not so concerned about all of that. But honestly, law also happened like by chance. I got into law school, and I was very good at it academically. So I thought that you can always audition at 22. Why leave your education and at the cost of something audition at 16? So
That's actually very sensible. So and what about you? You assisted Salman, Sohail basically on Jai Ho.
Yes. So I was just at the right place at the right time, I guess, because I was dancing at my sister's wedding and I was doing this performance, this old video that I had made for my sister along with my best friend. And I got off stage and Salman Bhai happened to be there and he saw the video and the dance and he said, you belong in front of the camera. So leave whatever you're doing and join the movies. And I'm going to launch you. So once you're done with the wedding, just come meet me and start your training. And that's what I did. I just left everything and I started training.
Oh, so I mean, since your father is also friends with Salman, and so your father and Salman also go back a long way. Maine Pyar Kiya time.
before that, they know each other.
Yes, of course. And so, what happened first? You auditioning and going through this, the whole process, or was it Salman saying, "Okay, come on board"?
I was auditioning since 2016.
Okay.
All over. So there's not a single casting office I have not visited in Bombay. So my audition procedure was on constantly. So Notebook was actually another audition for me. I was auditioning till Notebook happened and luckily culminated like that. So my audition procedure was on, and I think he knows the backstory better than I do because I was not involved in that.
Yeah, I mean, we had auditioned around 80 girls for the role.
So you came on board first for Notebook before she did.
Actually, Salman Bhai was looking for a script to launch me because he decided to launch me and then said, okay, now I'm going to look for a script to launch you. So after 5 years of aggressively looking for a script, we finally stumbled upon Notebook, which we felt is the best script that we've come across so far. And then we started auditioning. Then obviously Nitin sir came on board and they started auditioning for the female lead for Firdaus's character. I think 4 or 5 days later, Ashwin sir has walked into the office, who was the co-producer, Ashwin sir, Murad sir. He walked in the office and he was like, there's one girl, Pranutan, who's given these phenomenal auditions and she's been signed for a film, but that film is not happening. And I know that it's not happening. The news hasn't been broken to them yet. So why don't you call her in for audition?
Oh, okay.
And we got in touch with her and we called her for the audition. And that's when we went, after finalizing her, they decided that they want her for the part. We went and told Bhai that, Bhai, we've decided the girl. And he said, oh, wow, lovely, great actor.
And he had no idea whose daughter she was.
And I was like, Bhai, that's Monish Bell's daughter. She's like, what? They picked up the phone, he called Monish sir, and then that's how it happened.
It was lovely.
Yeah.
It was lovely. I mean, for me especially, for it to happen in this way, because I was dying for a debut. I know how much I wanted it. I mean,
Didn't you? I mean, usually they say, now with star kids, there's always tell daddy, why don't you launch me? You didn't do that.
in my life, I've never done that. Whether it's for a meeting, it's for an internship, it's for an audition, it's for, I really like this, can you just make me meet this actor? I've never done that also. So when I used to go for casting calls, you have this placard which we have to carry, right? All the actors there. The aspiring actors there. And you have to write your name, age, height, and just talk about your hobbies and all that. So I used to write only Pranutan. I never used to write my surname because I didn't want anyone to know. I wanted to know that, do I deserve to be in front of a camera first? Let's see that scene. So when I used to get shortlisted, I used to feel very happy. So like, oh, second round. Yeah, but it's true, no?
And
I mean,
I mean,
would
also
you?
the thing is, this is a very, very, I mean, you've seen your parents too. It's a very tough industry. It's a very tough industry to survive in. Are you both like geared up for the bouquets and the brickbats that come with it?
Yeah.
I think the training that I've gotten, everyone focuses that, oh, he's trained in martial arts, he's trained in dance and action and all of that over the 6 years. I think more than that, the training that we've got, me especially because I've been around longer, was how to deal with all this. How to deal with success, how to deal with failure, how to be on set, off set, around people, with people.
But जब गुजरती है ना, it's a different thing.
I know.
I was just going to say that. I think you make your own learnings,
Yeah, but I think that
along the way.
it helps, when a man with that kind of wisdom and that kind of experience tells you, you understand it, and also you see him go through it and you see him do it. So more than learning from him what he said, I've learned by just seeing him.
What about you? I mean,
Yeah,
any
I-
advice from mom, dad, or whatever?
They've only told me to be honest. That's the only thing they keep telling me. Whether it's your interactions with people, value the fact that you're standing on a mark and value the fact that you have a call time tomorrow. Don't take it for granted. As my dad says, that uski qadar karna सीखो, उसकी कदर हमेशा करो, क्योंकि इतना अगर तुम चाहती हो तो फिर live up to that, live up to it in your head and work hard towards it.
But you also have a legacy, that precedes you. Your grandmom was a screen legend, an actor par excellence. Sadly, both of you didn't meet because, she passed away a few years before you were born. But I'm sure you've heard stories about her. You've seen her films. So what's your take back?
I mean, I don't know, yeah. I always feel that obviously she's a legend in cinema, But I think for me, what really stands out is the way she conducted herself, with so much grace and dignity, all times. Like when you see Nutanji today receiving a Filmfare, I've seen her videos receiving her Filmfare award, and just the way she walks, the way she greets people, and she'll do this and she'll take her award and then she'll give her thank you speech, all those little things. I think that's very, very important. वो मेरी नज़रों में बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. The way you conduct yourself. It's not just standing on your mark and being a great actor.
And also as an actor, she was an actress way before her time. If you also see her career graph.
But I'll tell you honestly, I obviously know that. I obviously believe that. But she was also very lucky to have those things come to her. Like I always feel that you are what you are because of a Bandini script, because of a Sujata script, because of a Bimalda. Because of whoever else she's had the good fortune of collaborating with. So when you speak of Bandini, we always say, maybe Nutanji and Dada Muni, but are we forgetting Bimalda? Like, that is huge.
Wow.
I think, I always say that, and my father and I always say that we always speak about these mega actors and stuff like that, but you are as good as the opportunities you get.
Agree with that.
So then you can't take away, Like today I am that much better than I was on the day of my audition because of a Nitin Kakkad, and because of Zahir and because of Hemant sir, my acting coach. So it's not just you, It's not just Kajal Bua and Monish Bahal and Nutanji and Tanuma. It's those filmmakers who've made it happen. I really believe that.
And I must say that, the kind of actors in your family, the females, your Dadi, then, her sister.
Stronghold in our family. My dad always says he's the odd one out. He's like, I don't know why I'm here. Like, y'all are just taking all the cake and the accolades all the time. Yeah, but touch wood with the females are, quite cool.
Any tips from Kajol Bua, though?
No tips, I think that the only thing she's told me is that she's very excited. So I can't wait for her to watch the film. In fact, I'm going to message her right away because we're having a screening soon. So I'm very, very excited. And she's obviously very warm. I think I always say
But
that.
everybody's very scared of her in the industry, that.
Scared of her?
Yeah. She's a spitfire.
Yeah, she's fiery. She's fierce. I think all of us are.
That's nice. We're just waiting to see it unfold. So about your characters in the film.
I've seen it unfold, yeah.
Please tell us, how fiery is she? Because
She's wonderful.
because the women in her family have अच्छे की उन्होंने जैसे वाट लगाई हुई
I
है.
know what you're talking about. I had an incident with Kajol ma'am when I was a child.
So please tell us about that. What was that
No,
incident?
it was at Taj Lands End, and we were all like, we were kids. We used to go and all share one watermelon juice there because we couldn't afford to have one each. And we saw her, and we just ran like as if so she was our mother, and just hugged her, and she was like, "What's wrong with you?" Like, I'm like, "Oh, sorry, I forgot." Like, you can't just hug anyone like that. And yeah, so that's one experience I had. But she's been wonderful so far.
And I have a fiery side. Huh? He's just covering up. He's been through
That's
a
true,
lot.
That's true. I'm covering it up, but
What is like the fiery side of it that don't mess with Pranut and
But
Bhai?
I think a lot of people have
we
said
call it
that.
we call it a weekday.
Shut up. No, but a lot of people say that
She's
you
good on
got this
weekends.
very. See, you saw that look. That was the beginning. That she's all this. She's very sorted, and she's like, "Don't mess with me." And this far no further. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I give this vibe because he's always troubling me.
Not at all, never. I swear she has never happened to me in my life before.
Okay, also there are a lot of new debuts happening this year. A lot of star kids also, some from the outside also making their debut. Apart from talent, what do you both think is going to stand out?
In what?
Amongst all these star debuts, because I mean, talent hai, sab mein hai, because that's the reason they have reached here. But what is else that, there'll be one, may the best man win, because there's so many.
Destiny. Yeah, definitely. We are all here because of destiny. Talent बहुत लोगों में है. वो 3 साल में ऑडिशन कर रही थी तो अभी होता है ना थोड़ा था. इसलिए तो नितिन सर मिले. That 3 years also I was questioning myself. No, but obviously maybe Nitin sir could have met me at the first month, but he didn't. It's destiny. It's nothing else.
Frustration होता था when you used to come home after those auditions and saying, अब भी बात नहीं बनी.
Not frustration, I would say, but yeah, I did go through a little bit of. Obviously, after a point, it becomes like, is it going to happen? Is it ever going to happen? And obviously, I was very educated, no? And I could get a job like this because I was working throughout my 5 years and a well-paying job. So obviously, there used to be times when I used to be like, is this ever going to happen? Because I never knew if anyone would make a film for me. I didn't have that. I didn't have anyone backing me at all. But I used to talk to my friends and they used to be like, but are you sure? Because, you're going through this and stuff like that. And then it's like when you talk to someone else, you realize how stronger you are. And my reply used to be like, no, it'll happen. It'll happen. It'll happen. So, and it actually did.
I think we both are here because of attitude.
Yeah, definitely.
That
We're very,
dialogue
very-
of Shah Rukh sir from Om Shanti Om, where he says, "अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो, तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने को." So I think that's why we both are here.
And we are go-getters.
Yeah, and we never have this negative attitude about what if something goes wrong
What
and
if it doesn't happen?
what if it doesn't happen.
Never
We don't
think
have
like
that.
that.
We
Actually,
never
there should
question
not be
it.
room for that at this moment in life.
I think if you tell Zahir and me that you can't do something, no, you see us
We
go
will
at
go all
it.
out to prove you wrong. Yeah, we'll go all out to prove you
You
wrong.
see us go at it, and it's individual like that. So you can imagine when we were working together, how much passion there was, into making Notebook the best chapter of our lives.
And lastly, were you like a regular on the film set, or did your parents have to keep you away from it?
I was a regular in capital letters on film sets. My parents have not at all said, no, you come home and this is, no, this is not. Why? Yeah? We're proud of the fact that we belong to the films. Kids should grow up in the film industry. You learn warmth, you learn family, you learn so much from a film set. Like today, you go to any film set, you'll realize what team spirit is about, And I think that shaped me so much. So,
Acting का
Masti also. So much
And
masti.
acting का कीड़ा बहुत ही जल्दी I think अंदर चला गया था.
I guess. I don't know if I should say that. It's in my genes.
It's in your genes, right? Of course, genes play a very important part. So all the very best. And lastly, any advice from Mr. Salman Khan or anything that...
Yeah, a lot of advice from him, but I think which is the best one? Because
So
we've
many.
exhausted all the. And
He recently told me something. He said that, just remember, Pranu, however successful you get and whatever you achieve, you're never too big enough to ask for work. So always ask. Always feel like you need it. Because you do. You're never too successful to not want to work or need work. And he gave me his own example. He said, I also ask for work. And I don't only ask for myself. I ask for you. I ask for Zahir. I ask for Suraj. I ask for everybody. All my little kids out here. So I said, and that made sense. And I loved it because I am like that also. I love going out there and doing things on my
I
own.
can see that happening. I can see that fire in the eyes.
for me, I think it was the best advice that he gave me was don't let success go to your head and don't let failure go to your heart.
Which is true.
Yeah.
You can see it from his own career.
Yeah, exactly. So he's like, if you get bothered or bogged down by the negatives and get too excited with the positives also, just stay humble and don't react to everything.
But Zahir is like that. He imbibes that. He doesn't read comments and all. He
Do
doesn't.
you read?
Yeah.
Do you get affected?
No, I don't get affected, but I want to know. I get very curious. Like, what's up? What's up? What's up?
But
Which
she's
is
not
something
that
he.
much of a social media, like must have, she's not, but yeah, compared to the other newcomers, yeah, I mean, I'm not.
She is next level. She's probably handling 40 other accounts of 40 other friends of hers and charging them. But she's very active on, and
very active on
she's
social
probably
media.
stalked you before you took the interview. That was interview was happening. Let's
No.
stalk her.
No, he's just.
Is it
No, she's
important?
very-
Social media presence
But
important?
I
for
take
you?
I take all the negatives also as a positive. Like the first time someone said something negative about me, I took a screenshot and I posted that my first troller. Yay. I'm doing something good in life that people are trolling me.
What about you? I mean, is social media presence very important? And are you like?
I love it. So I don't.
See, it's simple. Just say
Yeah,
it.
I like being on social media. I feel like I want to know what's up on Instagram. I want to know what's the first look of Inshallah, which is coming up. I want to know things. I
Plug in.
think
Slyly.
I want to know who's liked my dialogue promo, which has just come out. By the way, please watch it. So yeah, I liked it. Yeah.
Go for it.
All the very best, and may you fill up many more chapters in your notebook.